Hey there, thanks for joining me to watercolor. Today I thought we would try this Arteza 140-pound watercolor paper. I picked this up in a 3-pack of these sketchbooks for pretty cheap. I'll put a link to those down in the description box in case you would like to head over and try one out yourself. We're also going to be using the Daniel Smith Essential Watercolor Set, a number 4 silver black velvet brush, and we're going to be using the stamp that was in the Gardening Chicks card kit. I wanted to give you another example of something you could do with your stamp after you had finished making your cards up. So this was my idea today, to do some watercoloring. So I stamped my Gardening Chicks stamp with the Versamark Onyx Black ink. That is a waterproof ink, so you can stamp with it and then watercolor all you want. I have not tried this paper before, so I thought today would be the perfect chance to try it out and see what I thought of the paper. And I'll let you know at the end what my decision was. You are watching the fast forward version of this video. There is a real-time version if you would like to watch that. It took me about 36 minutes for me to color these little chicks here. So in case you'd like to see the slowed down, the real-time version, you can go watch that if you would like. But I really enjoyed painting the little chicks here and trying out this paper. I really like the texture of the paper in general. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the coloring, and then I will hop back in the end and give you my thoughts on the paper. All right, so the final thoughts on the paper is I'm going to go ahead and try my hand here at adding some water onto my page and then putting the ink or the watercolors on top of that. So I got the paper wet a bit, and then I'm going to do the sky the same way. I'm going to add the water and then I'm going to drop the ink onto the paper and see how it spreads out a little bit and see how much buckling I get from the paper from dumping water on there. Now I did not add an excessive amount of water. I just dampened it a little bit and then put the ink on top of that. But just the amount that I put on there, I got a little bit of buckling on there, but not enough that I thought it was terrible. But then again, I did not rip it out of the book and tape it down. That you probably would get a totally different warping with that if you did it that way, and I think I will try that next time. But this time I left it in the book and I got a little bit of warping, but it wasn't something that I couldn't live without. And I really like the texture of the paper here, how when I did the background and you got all those little cute little bumps in there. I think that is one of the favorite things I liked about it, was that texture of that paper on there. I may not like it all the time with different things that I do, but for today I thought it was perfect for adding a little bit of something to my simple watercoloring here. So all in all, I would definitely buy the paper again. I think it's something that you could use for your mixed media stuff and leave it right in the notebook and not tear it out and just have the notebook there with all of your projects in it. I think that this would be perfect for that. And I'm definitely going to try it out by tearing it out and putting it on a board and see how that works. But for now, I think I'll just leave it in the book and we'll see what we can get. So anyway, if you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to that so you get notified when I do a new video. And I hope you're having a fabulous day. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.